Hi, this is Math Globe. How many ordered pairs of integers satisfy all of the following inequalities? Let the solution come. Okay, first, let's rewrite three inequalities here, and take a closer look to the first one. Then, let's assume a to be 0. From this, inequality can be simplified as follows. Likewise, if we assume b equals to 0, this time, a will be greater than -4, or smaller than 4. Next, according to second and third inequalities, as the sum of the square of two numbers is always positive, we can cancel the negative ones. Then, let's subtract second inequality from the first one. As seen, 16 minus 8 a will be smaller than 0. From this, a will be smaller than 2. Likewise, doing the same subtraction for the third inequality, we will note that b will be smaller than 2. So from this, sum of a plus b will be smaller than 4. Okay, now, finally we get three inequalities that will be solved. For this, let's go ahead and draw circles that represent all of the points for each inequality. As seen, these points correspond to the strict interiors of circles of radius 4, and the centers at shown points respectively. So, we can see that there are 6 lattice points in their intersection. So this is the solution.